Now I am going to cover how to use branded domain in sub accounts. If you are agency owner, your own domain account connected to the agency account. There may be many sub accounts connected to the agency account. So all your sub account linked with the agency account. Suppose if the sub account having their own domain, then they can connect it via branded domain option. Branded domain is related to your sub account only, and payments, links, and calendar are related to your branded domain. Suppose if you are not having branded domain, then all your payments, links, and calendar related to your agency domain only. First, go to your Go High Level sub account, then click Settings. Next, click Business Profile. Here you can see the branded domain option. Just fill the branded domain name prefixed with some text. Here I am putting test.xyz.com. I do not have a real domain currently, so I am putting some dummy name. Then click Add Domain button. Next, click Continue button to set up your domain. You can manually set up your domain using this information by logging in your domain area. Once the setup done, just click Verify Records. It will verify the records. This is the way you can set up branded domain in your sub accounts. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.